Oh boy. So, transmission started acting up. So today, guess what I'm going to be doing? I'm going to be cleaning, which has already been degreased. I just got to power wash it. I'll be pulling the pan and checking for any snap rings in the bottom of the pan, which these are known to break, which I got extra ones. If I happen to see an overdrive snap ring in the pan, it's no big deal. I've got extra. I just hope that I don't have to dig deeper. So the vehicle's warm. It has been, I just degreased it like 5 minutes ago. I'll be power washing it and going from there. Let's see what I find in the pan.